Okay, we're gonna begin today's tour on the top of Building 1, which is the hotel. Shows you that the swimming pool is progressing, and they're having the tile and putting in the base coat for the swimming pool. It'll be exciting when it's filled. I'm gonna walk over here just a little bit and get a feel for how the rest of the social area is gonna be. You can see here that we've got a jacuzzi with steps up to it. Really a beautiful job. You can see all the Coralina work. The whole base here is Coralina, and we're going to go up these stairs to the jacuzzi, and then we're going to have the jacuzzi and the Cayo Vigio in the distance. I'm going to pan a little bit toward the right, toward the city of Samana. Here is a view looking back west toward the main elevator shaft and building. You can see they've got these beautiful wooden stairs here up to the wooden deck. As I said before, the rest of it is all Coralina with a very polished and sophisticated finish. It's going to be very elegant when completed. Okay, we're now looking sort of southwest toward the bridge on the Samana Bay. You can see this other secondary pool has got the tile work going, and they're plastering the bottom. You can also see as I swing to the right that we've got a little bit of a wood decking which is going to be going in. I think they'll probably leave it natural. But we'll see later. I'm going to walk over here across the wood decking to see how this other social area on this side is going to be. And I'm going to kind of pan this to the left a little bit. And you can see as we go to the left, the view of the Samana Bay and also Cayo Vigio. Okay, a little breezy out. I'm not sure how this is going to sound, but you can see here we've got an elevator shaft, which brings elevators to the roof and his and her baños. This is a great vantage point of Building 3, which is above and behind Building 1. The painting is in, the doors are in, the cortinas, curtains are in, light fixtures, and the trellis main level. Level 1 has a larger terrace because it's not as high elevated as the other floors above. You'll still have an ocean view, but you'll be looking at the top of Building 1. Okay, we're now standing on the second level looking down into the main lobby and reception area of the hotel. There'll be a circular parking drive and guest drop-off outside, which still has to be landscaped and worked on. We're going to get another view from the lower level up. Okay, we're now at street level in the main reception area looking out to the road. Across the road, of course, is the Samana Bay Marina, and which will be the launch for the boat ride over the beach club at Via Cayo Vigio. This will be the main reception area. As you can see on the left floor area is all the wiring for the reception desk. And this will be where guests in the hotel, probably Building 3 as well, would check in guests there. We're going to kind of walk our way over toward the main dining area and to show the finished work. Oh, look at the ceilings. Looks like the ceiling panels have already been installed. Here it gives you the type of architecture and finish work they're doing. They've got these incredible artistic panels in the ceiling, which give it a very aesthetic feel. Okay, you can see they've made a great deal of progress in the garage area. They've got the concrete is poured. I think the last time we looked it was all dirt. I'm pretty sure on the west end of the building, you see the driveway. There'll be an entrance from the street level into the garage from that side. We don't have the windows open here, but this gives you the typical view of a third floor terrace in Building 3. Well, high enough to overlook the hotel amenities over to Cayo Vigio, where the beach club will be. Okay, in Building 1, we're looking at the furniture, which is just starting to be installed. You can see this is a nice corner unit with the window on the side and a nice open terrace overlooking the ocean. I'm going to turn around over here to the room, and you're going to see that we have the kitchen going in, and the kitchen cabinets are all in, waiting for the granite. We're in the third floor now in one of the bathrooms. You can see here the glass door is in, and the rainfall shower. And this particular unit also has, as I back up here, over to the sink area. This has recessed mini candle lights for accent lighting in the room. Okay, there's been an exciting new change and addition for Building 3. They now have a terrace pool at this level. Over to the left of the building, it would be on the east side of the building. And I'm going to pan over here and you'll see it has a beautiful pool and an area for lounging. Owners of Building 3 do have the ability to go to Building 1, be in the rooftop, but this is kind of like the reserved swimming pool and social area for Building 3. I'm going to walk up here and get a little bit of a feel of where we are. We're kind of losing our sun, getting a few little raindrops, but this gives you the perspective of where we are. We're going to walk around here and get the beautiful Samana Bay here. We're going to turn over here. You can actually see its location in relationship. Building 1 is to the left, Building 3 is to the right. So it's going to be a wonderful little swimming pool area just to hang out, great for kids. Looks to be a waist-high pool, infinity pool. Nice lawn and garden. This shows the garden, palm trees, and stairway up to it. If you'll notice, they've got lighting in the stairway. Should be very nice at night. I'm sure there'll be allowed swimming at night. We're at the base of the stairs going up to the new pool for building number 3. Pretty easy stairway to get up and down, but the climb is worth it because of the tremendous views from poolside.